Leg bone. Oh my gosh, that's a tremendous piece. Yeah, that looks amazing. I'm eating like a king tonight.
In this part of Bangladesh, there's a unique celebration performed to commemorate birthdays, marriages, or death anniversaries. Details of the ceremony may differ, but they all have one thing in common: one food that's center stage. This is the story of a Chittagong Mezban.
Chittagong Mezban episode, introduction, take one. Thank you for having us.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
You are our kind of contact here in Chittagong, who's linking us up to this incredible celebration called a Mezban. My sidekick, have you ever been to a Mezban?
I always wanted to be one, but I never got invited to one. It's specific to the people of Chittagong, right?
Yes, it's basically Chittagongian tradition.
What kind of activity should we be expecting?
We have got the cow and all. It's gonna be slaughtered. Then we start the cooking part. It's gonna be for a huge crowd.
So, like 100 people.
7,000 to 8,000 people.
How do you have space for that many people?
It's gonna be in the field.
The purpose is to celebrate a death anniversary.
Yes.
The idea is to feed your family, your friends, but also less fortunate people.
Yes.
Let's check it out.
Throughout Asia, death anniversaries are common practice. Family members gather to pray, pay respect, and eat. In Chittagong, this coming together of loved ones can take the form of a mezban. The mezban is a celebration centered around food. The event worth celebrating can be just about anything, from the naming of a newborn to the purchase of a new home. Today's food prep will take place in the rented kitchen of an event center, a place where thousands of mezbans have been prepared before. But a proper mezban requires certain cooking skills. You need the appropriate people to do the job: a butcher to slice and dice the beef, someone to peel the vegetables and pound and grind the spices. Then, leading this brigade, you need a captain, a head chef in charge of ensuring these hundreds of pounds of beef will be cooked on time and at the same time for tonight's family feast.
The cow has just been slaughtered. I'm just curious, with the mezban, what is the significance of the cow in Bangladesh?
Slaughtering the cow is a significance because we do it on special occasions like Mezban
And Eid, we have a occasion, it's called Eid al-Azha. Every family slaughter at least one animal. It's either a sheep or a goat or a cow.
Would the cow be the most meaningful?
It's the most popular one.
Yes, it's very expensive here. Most people cannot afford that.
Right.
It's about giving, okay, it's about sacrifice. What we do, we slaughter the meat. 1/3 of the meat we keep to ourselves. The other 1/3 we give to our relatives. And the last 1/3 we distribute it to the poor people.
To the poor people, yes.
Can you tell me more about Eid celebrations that you've experienced?
Oh man, streets go red, everything, like our sewage system's pretty bad, and it rains a lot, especially during that time. And then Dhaka is a city of blood. Wait,
Oh.
what?
Oh.
Moving,
Still
yeah.
beating.
Okay, we should go.
Yeah, okay.
Cooking will last for 5 to 6 more hours. While they work, I've been invited to visit the grave of the man being honored today.
Boom! What are we doing?
Basically, I stopped here to show you the gate.
Is this like a public advertisement?
Yes.
Does it have an address on here?
Yes, the address and the person's name and the date.
So the public, anybody walking around can see this and attend and get some food. Oh, that's so cool. Like, it's like the next level.
If you can see, it's written in the memory of Professor Allama Muhammad Jalaluddin Muhammad Qadri Rahmatullah Alayhi.
The deceased was an important figure in Chittagong and Bangladesh, both as the dean of a university and as a religious leader known in many parts of the world.
So today's Mezban is for him.
These days, his children, students, and followers pay respect to him by organizing and attending the Mezban in his name.
How long has it been since his death?
Third year.
And do you do it for 3 years? Or how many years? Forever?
Forever, yes.
Oh, wow. How many Mezbans do you attend a year?
Every month we get 1 or 2 invitations.
So you can't make all of them?
No,
you can't
not
go to all of them?
No. We have come to the graveyard of our beloved Huzur, who is lying here.
This is the main grave, and then it's the Hujur's parents.
So each plot here is a grave.
It's their family graveyard.
I mean, are these common throughout the city?
To actually pull this off, you need to be privileged enough to actually own a piece of land where you can have a family graveyard.
Right. Very expensive. Are you gonna pray?
Yeah, we'll offer a prayer.
صلاة تنجينا بها من جميع الأفوال والآفات وتقضي لنا بها جميع الحاجات وتطهرنا بها من جميع السيئات إلا الله محمد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Just across the street from here, the university founded by the man we honor today. The same place where thousands will gather tomorrow on campus and beyond.
We are in the field next to our house. Here will be the main program for the 7,000 people. But we will be having another one at our home. There will be approximately 500 family members and close friends. And here will be for mass.
Due to a delay in the Mezban schedule, I'm gonna miss the huge event, but we'll be able to make tonight's family feast.
Right now, they're only about halfway through building the structure. So by tomorrow, this whole thing's gonna be covered, and inside it's just gonna be packed with people.
Yes, there will be carpets, lights, fans, and tables and chairs. So 7,000 people will be having meal here.
Incredible.
Back in the kitchen, cooking is still underway. The butcher has portioned the entire cow. Chuck, brisket, round, it all gets cut into bite-sized pieces and mixed together for a dish known simply as MEZBANI beef. The beef is added to a large steel pot known as a dekchi, the usual go-to for large-scale cooking in Bangladesh. The chef adds turmeric, chili powder, cinnamon, minced garlic, almond paste, cumin paste, and this. Talk about layering flavors, and he's just getting started. Next, he hits it with bay leaves, onions, top that with mustard oil, salt, then soybean oil, which he used to fry the onions. Add those in too. Finally, green chilies and water. Dish 2, prepared in a similar style but with big chunks of bottle gourd, a lighter variety of MEZBANI beef. Last, a special cameo, NEHARI, a stew cooked with tons of spices, beef bones, bone marrow, and rice. All the pots are moved over the fire for hours of cooking. At last, the food is complete. There's enough here to feed hundreds, steaming hot, ready to go, awaiting just one crucial final step, a few drops of holy water and a prayer.
والحمد لله رب العالمين سيدنا ومولانا والجانا وعلى آله وأصحابه إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
Now we can finally sample the fruits of today's difficult labor.
Right now, we're actually on the transportation vehicle because we want to get a taste before 500 other people.
Yes.
It looks stunning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Super hot.
It's incredible. That whole cow fit into 2 of those dekchis. When you saw it walk in here, did you think it would fit into basically a pot and a half?
I thought we'd need a few dekchis.
Right. I'm gonna go just a little piece of beef, no rice.
For the final meal.
Wow, the beef, it's stunning. It falls apart in your mouth. The fat has just completely rendered down.
It's super juicy and tender, and when you bite in, it's like a burst of flavors. Spices, everything, that masala, oh man.
And then here I got some other sauce, the gravy. Oh, it's so hot. I don't know how you do this. Are your fingertips burning?
Yeah, but no, just mix it. Mix it like this. Get a chunk of meat in there. Make a ball. Make a ball.
Yeah.
Make a ball.
I got a little ball.
Put it in your mouth.
Exactly.
Oh my God, every part of this is stunning. It's so delicious. The gravy soaked into the rice. There's a ton of turmeric.
Yes.
I think we're causing a traffic. We gotta go.
The MEZBANI beef, confirmed, amazing. But all this food still needs to make its way to the home where the MEZBANI will take place. Transporting these giant pots is already hard enough, but getting through the city's traffic will be a miracle in itself. This Mezban is a day full of formalities and tradition. Prayer before the slaughter. Prayer before the food can be served. And within a private room of this house, a tradition I'll witness for the first time. Before dinner begins, the Quran is read from beginning to end. The entire central religious text of Islam, all in Arabic. Sections of the holy book are divided among dozens of men. Still, the task itself takes hours. During the reading, I get to meet a special guest, a friend of the deceased, Mr. Sufi Mizanur Rahman. These bodyguards in the basement are for him. From our short interaction, I can say he seems like a humble man who also happens to be a Bangladeshi billionaire. Finally, it's time to eat. Guests are brought to the tables in shifts. The elders eat first, then it's us. Dish after dish is portioned and quickly served to everyone in the dining room.
It's a tradition that we serve the food to the special guests.
Oh, am I a special guest?
Yes, of course.
This is incredible. Thank you so much.
We usually start with the vegetable one.
Ah, okay. Oh, that looks great. Gentlemen, thank you very much.
Very tasty.
Oh, man. For being a vegetable,
Yeah.
that's a good vegetable. My gosh. Oh,
So it's not very spicy for you?
not spicy at all. It's perfect. I don't know. It's like heavy and light at the same time.
Yeah, and the combination, it's kind of different. Like you get both, like the lentils and the gourd, they all just go together.
I love that. I want to jump into this right here. Can I do that?
Yeah, sure.
This is NEHARI. Oh my gosh, that's a tremendous piece. I'm eating like a king tonight. All right, listen. First of all, the shank meat, it is so tender. It's just been rendered down so soft. It's like fatty, gelatinous cartilage around the leg, and then a bit of protein on there too. Oh, this is really incredible. This is the main event right here. I heard you could just...
Yeah, see, it's coming out.
Wait, is it coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just hit it on the
Oh,
plate.
was that it?
Now suck it. Legit, you have to suck it.
It's empty.
No, you have to do it like pro, like
that was
us.
Nothing.
I can get another one for you.
Don't worry about it. All good. I wanted to ask you some other questions.
Yes, please.
I'm curious, what are some misconceptions about Bangladesh that just drive you insane?
First of all, people think that we are very poor. And since we are Muslim majority, people think that we are terrorists.
That would drive me insane too. I mean, I can say I've been now to many Muslim countries, and I found the hospitality in all of them to be outstanding, well beyond anywhere else I've been in the world.
If you study Islam, one of the best good deeds you can do is being a host. We don't turn away people who come to us. We will always help them.
The Mezban tradition highlights the best values you'll find in this country.
It's the bomb.
Providing for others,
We distribute it to the poor people.
patience, community, and hospitality. I am not Muslim, I am not Bangladeshi, but still, I'm invited with open arms to sit shoulder to shoulder with my Bangladeshi brothers and eat to my heart's content. That is Mezban. And finally, I want to give a huge thank you to Mohammed Rehan Hussein, Mohsen Asrar, and Abu Sahid Hamed for all of their help in making this video happen. And be sure to check out our second channel, More Best Ever Food Review Show, for raw clips and deleted scenes that didn't make it into the show.
Bro, first Mezban, what do you think?
Dude, it was fantastic. Even though it was a family mezban, that family mezban fed 600 people. That's crazy.
Dude, I love that, bro. That's it for this time. I will see you next time. Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Peace! All right, good enough. Let's
Yeah.
go.